The Booking Center mobile maintenance app is for properties who want a maintenance management system which ties in with the MyGuest and MyPMS systems, tracks assignments in real time with status updates and push notifications, while improving workflows and visibility on the status of each task. Here is how the mobile maintenance app works. From the Booking Center mobile maintenance app, or with a web browser, create a request, choosing one of the templates. You can enter in a lengthy description of the issue with up to 5 photos. Simply set the request status and assign a user. Your request has been submitted. Armed with the Booking Center mobile app, the assigned user receives notification about their maintenance task. The maintenance app dashboard tracks all tasks and is color-coded by status. When the assigned user has completed the maintenance task, they can submit for inspection by assigning the request to a staff or maintenance supervisor. After inspection, the supervisor could make comments about the maintenance task and reassign the request to another user, or set the request to complete, which closes the task. For step-by-step instructions and examples, please refer to our online documentation.